Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Pople Backyard Farm, and I had some old apples, and so I called my sister Patty, and she has this apple cake that she makes. It's really good. I'm going to give you the recipe here real soon, and I'm just going to kind of go through this with you. 4 cups of peeled sliced apples, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1 cup pecans, which is optional, and then you just mix it all up and you cook it for 350 for 50 minutes, and you have a nice little cake for your family. Hey, did I tell you guys to add 2 cups of flour to that? I was reading my recipe and I said, I don't know if I said that to them. So what's going on outside there?
I'm working on my building.
Working on your, it's messy in here. Guys, remember I had my broken hand. You working on your building? We'll go out there later and show them. Do you want to show them now?
No, I'm cold. I just got all my stuff. I got to go get I got the tractor out. I got to get the wagon, put everything in the wagon, take it over there.
Okay. And last night, I mean, everything's in disarray because we were moving things and then my hand broke. But I put this, I keep moving my plants around, but here's some of my plants on the shelf. Clay's my sweetheart, keeps buying me plants. He's a good man. You gonna sit down and rest?
Yeah, it's supposed to be about 45 all week, so
Don't get too...
I'm going to be in and out.
Yeah.
I know 45 is nice with the sun shining, but it's not supposed to start shining until this afternoon, so.
Right, well, the clouds get up and you can't really think, you know? It's too cold.
That's for sure.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to set for a minute, and then I'm going to get up and go back out. I'm going to put a jacket on.
Do you want me to make some of those pickled beet eggs that Patty's talked about, or not really?
You can. We got to boil up some eggs.
Yeah, I know.
I gotta wash a bunch of eggs, and we'll boil up about 3 dozen.
Okay.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm gonna take a break.
And the kittens are growing. I'm gonna change their bedding later, but right now I'm working in the kitchen. But look how cute they are. They're what, 2 days old? Yeah, they're born on Easter Sunday, and it's Tuesday, so they're cute. Look how cute they are, little babies. Mama's outside. She's actually coming over here. She'll be jumping in. We keep the kittens in the house because if they were outside, they would die. And aren't they sweet? You gonna come in there, Mama? Come on in. She's gonna jump in. There she goes.
Take care of babies.
She's gonna take care of her little babies. Oh, isn't she a good mama? She jumped out for a minute earlier. Clay and I were watching television early, and she jumped out and slept on Clay's lap for a little bit. She's a good mother.